pull over. Fuck. We gotta pull over. You have to pull over. Oh, fuck, no, bro. No, bro. No, bro. No. Why is he throwing his hands up? Everybody's yelling. You're good?
Yeah, I was being stupid.
No, hey, bro. Been there, done that. That's why we ride bikes.
Yeah.
But I know that adrenaline, you probably can't feel anything. Just feel your shit, make sure you're not broken. You can move all your parts.